Hello friends, today we will continue your next point, that is the Fourier series. In Fourier series type number third, okay, we have to find the Fourier expansion of the function f of x in the interval 0 less than or is equal to x less than or is equal to 2l. Okay, 0 less than or is equal to x less than or is equal to 2l. Okay, we already discussed such type, that is 0 to 2l, 0 to 2l. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या है 0 to 2l, हमने पहले भी देखा है. द टाइप 0 to 2 pi, टाइप 0 to 2 pi. दिस इज आल्सो सेम, only l is replaced by pi, only l is replaced by pi. Okay, now the expansion of the function, the expansion of the function f of x in the interval, function f of x in interval, here interval is 0 less than or is equal to 2l is this is your expansion of the function for Fourier series is f of x is equal to, this is your Fourier series in this expansion. Okay, a0 by 2 plus integration 0 to 2l. Okay, just like 0 to 2 pi. यहाँ पे क्या, sorry, this is your Fourier series expansion n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x upon l. Okay, n pi x upon l plus bn sin n pi x upon l. Okay, this is your Fourier series expansion of a function f of x in the interval 0 less than or is equal to x less than 2 pi. Okay, 2l, sorry, 0 less than or is equal to x less than or is equal to 2l. This is your Fourier series expansion. F of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x upon l plus bn sin n pi x upon l. Okay, लास्ट में क्या था यहाँ पे 0 to 2 pi, करेक्ट, 0 to 2 pi. यहाँ पे क्या है 0 to 2l. ओके, तो वहाँ पे क्या था 0 to 2 pi. फॉर दिस पर्पज हियर pi गेट कैंसल, बट यहाँ पे क्या है 0 to 2l. फॉर दिस पर्पज हियर आई विल राइट the l. Okay, I will write the l. Now the value of a0 is here, a0 is same formula 1 upon the length, length कितनी है 0 to 2l, that is 1 upon l integral 0 to 2l, sorry not 2 pi, 0 to 2l f of x into dx. This is your value of a0. Okay, 1 upon l 0 to 2l, because interval is 0 to 2l f of x into dx. Now value of an is 1 upon l 0 to 2l f of x into cos n pi x divided by l into dx. Okay, this is value of an. Okay, l is any constant, यहाँ पे l क्या है constant. Then bn is 1 upon l 0 to 2l f of x into sin n pi x divided by l into dx. Okay, this is value of a0, an and bn, and this is your Fourier series. F of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x upon l plus bn sin n pi x upon l, and these are the values of a0, an and bn in this interval 0 to 2l. Okay, तो सबसे important क्या है, first we have to find value of l. Suppose f of x is given, f of x is function, okay, which is given, also the interval 0 to 2l is given. तो फर्स्ट टारगेट क्या आपका, फर्स्ट फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ l. यहाँ पे क्या है 2l, तो वी गेट l डिवाइडेड बाय 2. फर्स्ट फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ l, then find value of a0, then find an, then find bn. Okay, now we will discuss example on this topic. Example first, Example first. Find the Fourier series expansion find the Fourier series expansion find the Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to 4 minus x square in the interval in the interval 0 less than or is equal to x less than 2. 0 less than x less than 2. Now, here this is your Fourier series expansion. Fourier series. Okay, we have to find the Fourier series for the function f of x is equal to 4 minus x square in the interval 0 less than x less than 2. Okay. Now, in answer here, f of x is equal to 4 minus x square in interval 0 less than x less than 2. Okay, 0 less than x less than 2. Now this interval is 0 to 2l. Okay, 0 to 2l. यहाँ पे 2 pi है क्या नहीं है? 0 to 2l. Okay, this 2 is 2l. Now tell me value of l. Okay, here l is 2l by 2. Okay, तो l क्या मिलेगा? This divided by 2. तो l, the value of l is 1. Value of l is 1. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Value of l is 1. Okay. Therefore, the value of a0 is equal to 1 by l integral 0 to 2l f of x into dx. Correct. F of x into dx. तो value of l is 1. Correct. तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? 1. No need to write. 0 to 2l. 2l क्या है यहाँ पे? 2l is value of 2l is 2. Okay. L is 1. L is 1 and 2l is 2. Don't confuse. Okay. 2l is 2. F of x is 4 minus x square into dx. Now solve this. We get a0 is equal to integration of 4x minus integration of x square x cube by 3. Put upper and lower limit. Replace upper and lower limit. Replace upper limit x as 2. तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? 8 minus यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? upper limit x cube, that is 8 divided by 3. Correct. Lower limit is 0. Now we get this 8 multiplied by 3, 24 minus 8, this is 16 upon 3. Okay, 16 upon 3. 8 into 3 क्या जाएगा? 24 minus 8, that is 16 divided by 3. This is value of a0. This is value of a0. Value of a0 is 16 divided by 3. Okay, value of a0 is 16 divided by 3. Also, we have to find the value of a1, value of value of an. Now, the formula of an 1 by l 0 to 2l f of x into cos n pi x divided by l into dx. Correct. This is formula of an. Correct. 1 by l 0 to 2l f of x cos n pi x upon l into dx. Now put all these values and solve. Put all these values and solve. We get therefore an is equal to the value of l is 1. तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? 1 integration 0 to 2l. 2l is value of 2l is 2. F of x is value of f of x 4 minus x square. 4 minus x square into cos n pi x upon l, but l is 1. Correct. L is 1. तो क्या जाएगा वहाँ पे? cos n pi x. Cos n pi x into dx. Correct. Because value of l is 1. Okay. Now solve this. We get by using e into v rule, same rule. this as it is, 4 minus x square as it is, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos n pi x, तो क्या जाएगा sin n pi x divided by n pi, okay, with respect to dx n pi, minus डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, क्या जाएगा डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 4 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, दिस इज माइनस 2x इन ब्रैकेट, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन क्या जाएगा माइनस cos n पाई x डिवाइडेड बाय n स्क्वायर पाई स्क्वायर, ओके, प्लस द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ माइनस 2x क्या जाएगा माइनस 2 इंटू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos n पाई x, दिस इज माइनस साइन n पाई x डिवाइडेड बाय n क्यूब पाई क्यूब, 0 to 2, okay, this is your integration. Now put upper and lower limit and find the answer. If we put upper limit as a 2, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 0, ओके, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा, हाँ यहाँ पे माइनस 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 क्या होगा माइनस 2 इंटू 2 क्या होगा 4, 2 इंटू 2 4, यहाँ पे cos n पाई x, ओके, बट x क्या है 2, तो क्या जाएगा cos 2n पाई x, दिस इज 1, cos 2n पाई x, दिस इज cos 2n पाई, दिस इज 1, cos 2n पाई, दिस इज 1, ओके, तो वहां पे क्या बचेगा 4 अपॉन n स्क्वायर पाई स्क्वायर, n square pi square. Now replace x as 2. Here we get sin 2n pi, and sin 2n pi is 0. No need to write. Minus lower limit, यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ पे 0 है, sin 0 0, तो lower limit क्या जाएगा 0. Okay, this is value of an. This is value of an. So we get an as minus 4 upon n square pi square. Okay, an is minus 4 upon n square pi square. This is value of an. Now we have to find the same value of bn. Okay, now bn is 1 upon l 0 to 2l f of x sin n pi x divided by l into dx. Correct. This is formula for bn. Now put all these values. L is 1, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 1, 0 to value of 2l is 2, f of x is 4 minus x square into, put value of l is 1, तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा sin n pi x into dx. Okay, now use the same rule. This 4 minus x square as it is, then the derivative of sine, integration of sine क्या जाएगा minus cos n pi x divided by n pi, okay, plus derivative of x square क्या जाएगा minus 2x into integration of cos का integration क्या जाएगा minus sin n pi x divided by n square pi square, okay, then this is plus, here is minus, here is minus sign, plus minus, then last क्या जाएगा plus, the derivative of minus 2x क्या जाएगा minus 2, integration of minus sign, this is plus cos n pi x divided by n cube pi cube, okay, and 0 to 2. Now find upper and lower limit, we get the required answer. Put upper limit as 2, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा 0, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा sin 2 pi x 0, we get directly here cos 2n pi x is 2, cos 2n pi answer is 1, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा, यहाँ पे minus 2 as it is, minus 2 divided by n cube pi cube, correct, minus 2 divided by n cube pi cube, then minus lower limit, put lower limit, यहाँ पे क्या है 0, तो this is 0, दिस इज पुट x एज 2, तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, x इज 0, cos 0 क्या जाएगा 1, cos 0 इज 1, x इज 0, cos 0 क्या जाएगा 1, देन यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, 1, दैट इज माइनस माइनस प्लस, हियर इज 4, देन x इज 0, 4 माइनस 0 क्या जाएगा 4 माइनस 0 इज 4, ओके। नाउ cos 0 इज 1, यहाँ पे क्या है, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस, लोअर लिमिट सेपरेट किया है, डिवाइडेड बाय n पाई, देन पुट x एज 0, दिस इज 0, देन पुट x एज 0, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा, रिप्लेस x एज 0, हियर वी गेट, यहाँ पे क्या है माइनस, ओके, फॉर लोअर लिमिट माइनस माइनस क्या होगा, दिस इज ऑल्सो प्लस 2 अपॉन n क्यूब पाई क्यूब, okay, this step is very important, okay, because from this side lower limit है, okay, from this is your upper limit minus lower limit, for lower limit this term is negative, also this term is negative, here we get positive, okay. Now first and last get cancel, we get the value of bn 4 upon n pi, value of bn is 4 upon n pi, okay, value of bn is 4 upon n pi. Now put all these values in your Fourier series expansion. This is your value of a0, this is value of an, and this is value of bn. यहाँ पे समझ में आ गया, this is your upper limit, if we replace x as 2 we get upper limit this, minus lower limit क्या है, this is minus sign, this is minus sign, minus क्या होगा plus, okay, this is value of bn. Now the Fourier series expansion I will write here, therefore the Fourier series expansion is f of x is equal to क्या है फॉर्मूला, f of x is equal to a0 divided by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x divided by L plus bn sin n pi x divided by L, okay, this is your formula of Fourier series, correct. Now replace the value of an, bn and a0, also replace the value of L, we get f of x, value of f of x क्या है आपके पास, f of x is 4 minus x square, correct, f of x is 4 minus x square, तो क्या जाएगा 4 minus x square is equal to value of a0 is 16 by 3, तो क्या जाएगा 16 by, और this is your 8 by 3, okay, divide by 2, 16 divided by 2, 8 by 3 plus summation n from 1 to infinity, value of an is minus 4 upon n square pi square, correct, minus 4 upon n square pi square, okay, into cos n pi x, because L is 1, plus value of bn is 4 upon n pi into sin n pi x, and value of L is 1. Now this is your required Fourier series expansion of the function 4 minus x square in the interval 0 less than or is equal to x less than or is equal to 2l, okay, so this is your required answer. This is your required answer of Fourier series expansion, okay, this is your required answer for Fourier series expansion 4 minus x square in the interval 0 less than or is equal to x less than or is equal to 2l, but here interval is 0 less than or is equal to x less than or is equal to 2, okay. Now I will give homework to you, I will give 2-3 examples to you for homework. This is simple part, we already discussed the same part in a previous examples. The next example second, find Fourier series expansion for the functions example second, f of x is equal to 2 minus x square divided by 2 in the interval 0 less than or is equal to x less than or is equal to 2, and third, f of x is equal to 1 by 2 minus x in the interval 0 less than x less than L. Okay, try to solve these two examples. Here इंटरवल क्या है L, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा L by 2, क्या जाएगा L by 2. ओके, एंड 2L is L, 2L is L, तो L क्या जाएगा L by 2. ओके, try to solve these two examples at home.